Salut tout le monde! Welcome back to my channel where we help you master French grammar step by step. Today we're diving into a super important topic, les objets directs et direct objects, and how to replace them with les pronoms objets directs or direct object pronouns. Are you ready for it? Let's go! Now, what is a direct object? A direct object is the person or thing that directly receives the action of the verb. For example, je mange la pomme. I am eating the apple. La pomme is the direct object because it's receiving the action of eating. How do we find those direct objects, you may ask? Well, you need to ask the questions what or who after the verb. Il regarde le film. He is watching the movie. Ask what is he watching or he is watching what, and the answer will be the movie. Therefore, le film is the direct object and it will be replaced with an according direct object pronoun as we're going to see in the following minutes. Now, in order to avoid repeating direct objects, we use direct object pronouns, or how we call it in French, les pronoms objets directs. The list of direct object pronouns goes like this. So, we're going to have the forms in French and also the translations or the equivalents in English. Me, me. Te, you, singular or informal. Le, la, for we use it to say him, her, or it. Nous will mean us. Vous will mean you, plural or formal. Les will mean them. Okay? Now, regarding the placement of the direct object pronouns, there is a little bit of a discussion to be made, or some, let's say, uh, some remarks to be made. For the present tense and any other simple tense in French, we place the direct object pronoun before the verb. For example, je mange la pomme. Qu'est-ce que je mange? Or what am I eating? The apple, la pomme. Therefore, la pomme will be replaced by the direct object pronoun that has the same gender and number as la pomme. In this case, it is feminine and singular. Okay, so for feminine and singular, we have la. Also, we refer to a third party, so we know for sure that it is la. We know that we have to place it before the verb, so before mange, which is the conjugation of the verb manger, which is to eat. So we obtain je la mange. Now, regarding the negative sentence, in any negative sentence, we have two cases. One case is for the simple tenses, such as present tense, future simple tense, and so on and so forth. And the other scenario, we have them for compound tenses, for which we use auxiliaries. Now, if you want to check out the rules for the accord of the past participle and so on, please check out the link in the description for the passé composé tense, and also if you want for plus que parfait as well. It is a good review of what you already know. Or if you don't know them, then you might very well check them out. But let's not dive out of the topic. Let's just say that for simple tenses we use the following schema: ne plus the pronoun, direct object pronoun, plus verb plus pas. Je ne la mange pas. I do not eat it. For compound tenses, we're going to have ne plus pronoun plus auxiliary plus pas plus the past participle. So, je ne l'ai pas mangé. Alright? And in the case where we have two verbs, right, one after the other, or in the case where we have um, um, the near future, for example, in French, the pronoun goes before the infinitive of the verb in the infinitive. So, for example, je vais la manger. Okay, la comes before manger, which is in its infinitive form, not before vais. Okay, so keep in mind these three pointers and the direct object pronoun forms, as well as the question that you have to put in order to identify the direct object pronoun. Okay, and you will be able to replace any direct object as you wish. So let's review just a little bit. First step is identify the direct object that is going to be replaced by asking uh, who or what, then identify its gender, its number, and the perspective, right? If we are referring to another object outside of our group, or if I refer to you or myself. Okay. Then find out the gender and the number. Then uh, analyze the whether the tense is simple or compound, and uh, whether the sentence is in affirmative form or negative form, and apply these rules. Now we're going to see a dialogue that uses direct object pronouns. So let's read together. Tu as vu le film hier soir? Did you watch the movie last night? Oui, je l'ai vu. C'était génial. Yes, I saw it. Je l'ai vu. It was great. Tu vas acheter le DVD? Are you going to buy the DVD? Oui, je vais l'acheter demain. Yes, I'm going to buy it tomorrow. Et les billets pour le concert, tu les as pris? And the tickets for the concert, did you get them? Non, je ne les, je ne les ai pas encore pris. No, I haven't gotten them yet. You will notice that every time that we have a direct object, such as le film in the first sentence. What did you watch? The movie, le film. Qu'est-ce que tu as vu? Le film. Okay, we have applied basically the rules before. Okay, so I've analyzed a vu. I'm in passé composé, so in a compound tense. I am in the affirmative form because I'm saying we, right? And also I've identified that we are referring to a third perspective, a third party object, le film, and also that it is singular and masculine. So I've chosen to use le to replace it. Notice the fact that we also apply the elision rule because we have le and e, both of the first one ends in a vowel and the second one starts with a vowel. So the elision rule is applied here. Oui, je l'ai vu. The same happens for all the others. If you'd like to, you can also write down in the comments the explanations and how the other three scenarios of direct object pronoun have been applied. Now we're going to review the vocabulary that we've learned here. So we have the verb voir, which is to see, and it has the past participle of vu, as we've seen before. Le film is the movie. Acheter, it means to buy. Le DVD is the DVD. Prendre, it is to take or get. Les billets are the tickets. And le concert is the concert. Lastly, I have an exercise prepared for you. Please answer in the comments with the correct direct object pronouns that you would apply in each scenario. Marie adore les fleurs. Marie 1 adore. Paul va voir le film demain. Paul va voir demain. J'ai acheté les livres. J'ai acheté. Vous aimez la musique classique? Vous aimez? Ils n'ont pas encore pris le billet. Ils ne ont pas encore appris. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also check out the description box for a surprise prepared just for you. For now, bye bye.